ba siya?
Kaso kapag ka nag-play,
Hi everyone, I have a tutorial of how to connect a PC to a network. First step, we will click these network devices and click the switches. And after that, we will click the generic icon. I will click and I will drag it to the workspace like this. And after that, I will go to the end devices. This end devices,
malalagyan natin ito sa ID.
and I will click the generic icon and drag it to the workspace like that. Second, we have to make at least 5 PC like this. 2, 3, 4, and 5 like that, and we will arrange it in property like this. And then the second step, we will click this, the yellow one, the connections, and then we will click the wire, the black wire, and then we will click that, and we will put it to the PC, and we will click the fast Ethernet and connect it to the network. After that, we will choose this fast internet 01, and then the second step, click again the wire and click the another PC and connect it to the network, and we will switch one. And then after that, we'll click again the wire to the PC, internet, and the switch. And click this. Again, we will click this, internet, this, and this. And again, like this. See? Yes. Wait. We will cancel it again. Because that is wrong. We will click. Wait. Ayan. We will click the switch PT to add some more slots like this. We have to add the PT switch NM1 CFE. Click that and drag this to the this black space. So, hindi natin siya maano. We cannot put it because it is on. And then, we will off this like clicking this power switch. And we will drag it to the black space. And then, put there again and switch it on. And then X. And then we will go to the wire again. Click it. Click. Then connect. And then, oh, wait. Oh, this one. Okay. So that is that. And then after that, we will go to the PC. First, the PC 0. We will click that, and then we'll go to configuration. Desktop config, physical configuration, and then the fast Ethernet. And then we will go to the IP address, and we will put 192.168.1.1. Yan. And then we will enter. You see, the subnet mask is show. And then we will cancel this. And then the other PC.
Repeat the steps
And then, we will go again until it's done. The fast Ethernet and the 192.168.1 point and then point 1.2 is the end is 2 because the PC is for number 2. We will enter it and then X, then again repeat the step until it's done. And then we will put again 192.168.1.3 and then enter. Let's do it again until it's done. One nine two point 168.1.4. Okay. Here. Vision. Internet. 192.168.1.5. And it's finished. And after that, we will click it again and go to the desktop, the IP configuration. Wait. Config, attribute, software services, attribute, desktop. We will go to the command prompt. Go to the desktop and go to the command prompt. And then type IP config and enter, and then you will, after that you will put again the pin ID, the ping space and the IP address 192.168.1.1. Then enter it, and you will see there are 3 replies, and if you see that is okay. And we will go to the another PC and go to the desktop, command prompt, repeat the steps, IP config, enter and ping, and the IP address again 192.168.1.2. enter it, and then you will see it's okay. And then exit again, and then go to another PC, go to the desktop, command prompt, and then IP config, and then put ping 192.168.1.3, and then enter. Do it again. Desktop, command prompt, IP config, and ping 192.168.1.5. Then and see, now it's done. You've already connected the 5 PC to the switch. Thank you for watching. My name is Jewel Aldo Salejo. BSIT. Thank you for watching.
For more videos.
Down below.